guys, good morning. It is pouring down. When I left the house it did not look like this, but I'm out here now, so we're gonna stay out here. I actually came out because I wanted to go to Pottery Barn and I wanted to go to Crate and Barrel, but I was gonna drive down to Alpharetta, but that's where the Crate and Barrel is that I like. I don't fool a lot with Lennox. If you live in Atlanta, then you know why. But I was gonna go down there, but shoot, it's storming and stuff outside. It's not storming, it's just really heavy rain. So I'm still gonna go in the mall to Pottery Barn because, you know, I just have to park close to the door and get out, and then pick up my food first because I ordered an omelet, and then go to Pottery Barn. So I want to see what they have for fall as well. I was initially going in there just for my client, but then I was like, you know what, they have good stuff for fall, so I'm gonna give you guys like a little fall preview of everything that they have in there too, because they, you know, Pottery Barn I don't really miss. It is a bit on the more pricier side, of course, than HomeGoods, but you know, they have some really good quality stuff. So that's the agenda for right now. And then I'm probably gonna just go back home, and once the rain and stuff settles down, I'll come back out, you know. So we're gonna see. All right, y'all, it stopped raining. I ate my food from First Watch, and so now we're going to go in Pottery Barn. I'm not gonna take my umbrella because I'm gonna hope that we have a clear for at least a few hours. At least that's what the weather app says. But I got a job to do, so rain, sleet, or snow, I gotta go in here and shop. Y'all, we have made it to Pottery Barn. I love this plant. I love this. It's $2.94, and they have the olive tree. Poster beds are still a thing. This tabletop, it's very pretty. This is similar to what I want to do in my client's house. That I am in love with this green color. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna incorporate this in for fall. It's hard to see the color, but I love this. So I think I need these black plates for my client. I like that they're matte, and I'm gonna stack them. I love this with the green. I can stand back. I love this. Is this a swivel? Oh, it's a swivel chair. I love these pillows. They're green, even though they're coming off gray. These are green pumpkins. Then they have the matching gourd. Then over here, these are cute too.
Isn't it just
Brown and the mauve is pretty. This place is called Q. Replaced Forever 21. Well, I think where all the Forever 21s used to be. But they have really cute clothes, and they were like reasonable too. I mean, a vanilla romance. It's wet and raining, but I'm gonna go over here to HomeGoods because I had a goal today, and I really need to get some stuff done. I'm working on this project, and I've got to shop for this project. So whether it's raining or whatever, I'm just gonna have to push through it. And then it's early, like it's only 11 o'clock, and so whatever they have at HomeGoods, I need to get it now before everybody else get in the store and take all the good stuff, because you know that's how HomeGoods work, especially on a Saturday. Where did all these people come from? It's early. It's only supposed to be me. I really like these bar stools for myself, for my kitchen island. I think these are so cute. Probably come back and get 2 of these lamps. I actually like this one, the bigger the better. but that's only one and I need two. All right, y'all, I did some good damage up in here. HomeGoods was such a win. I'm so glad that even though it was raining, I decided to still go in here because I am loaded up. And I got this gorgeous picture that I don't know if I showed y'all in the store, but it's taking up the entire back seat because it's so big, which is what I like, big artwork. So I gotta go home because I can't fit nothing else in this car. But it definitely has been a good shopping day. I'm gonna go to Culver's, treat myself to some ice cream. I'm gonna get a concrete mixer with Oreo and cheesecake pieces. My babe won't be home coming to the house until later, so I still have like remainder of the day. Now it is 1:20, so basically I spent 2 hours in there, but it was 2 hours well worth it. 2 hours well worth it. And I don't know what else I want to do. I don't feel like I'm ready to just be in the house, but I'm not gonna lie, I need to edit. I have another video that I need to edit and some content that I need to film in the house, so I guess I'll go home and do that and we'll see. We're about to have a little midday lunch with my mom. So good. It has corn, beans, grilled chicken, 4 cheese quesadillas, ranch dressing. Alright, y'all, today is setup day at my client's house. We're gonna start installing some things that I've purchased. Got the bell cart. So in the living room, I already added some chocolate taupe and black pillows. These are pillow covers that I ordered. I believe these are from Amazon, but some things I've already done in the space. I added this beautiful round ceramic bowl that you guys saw me purchase in the last video to their dining room table. And then all of the stuff on the floor in this corner are like art lights and shelves, because we're gonna add shelving to the tiers on both of the sides of the wall because this condo lacks shelving space. And then over here I want to do a black slat wall. So now we're going down the hallway to the gallery wall where I'm going to be implementing, there's going to be 8 20 by 20 frames that are going to go on this wall that I'm showing right now. And then on the opposite side I have 3 beautiful abstract pictures that are going to go up. So you guys are going to see us do this process, and it's going to be so gorgeous once it's done. I'm so excited for this. Alright, pictures are getting hung for the gallery wall. Again, there's 8 of them, so getting that taken care of today. So far it looks really good. I love it. It looks really good. So I'm measuring because we're going to be putting 3 pictures on this wall, so I want to make sure that they are centered. And also it's important because the other side is already up and we have the gallery wall over there, that these are not higher or lower than the ones that's on the opposite side of the wall. So it's a lot of measurements and spacing that has to take place to make sure that when you're walking down that wall, it looks right asymmetrically. The art lights are gonna go above these 3 pictures right here. Let's see if I can kind of give y'all a little mook. So Ooh, that looks so good. Yeah. So that's the vibe it's gonna give. The art lights have been put up and they look so good. Oh my gosh, they look so good. So you can manually adjust it with this remote. I'm sure y'all already know that. You make bright light. I'm not a fan of the yellow light, of the white light. I like that light right there. So it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead on and cut it off. Really pretty. This is our room. I totally forgot to get footage of it before we started taking stuff out of the space. That's my babe in the camera. You gonna say what's up, honey?
What's up, Daisies?
Then this is the bathroom. In the bathroom, gorgeous. It is huge. All right, do you see how big that shower is? And then that's the toilet area in there. But do you see? It has the rainfall shower head, and that towel is beautiful. Kitchen. Then we have where we're gonna eat breakfast, dining area, and they have a lot of aqua blue, which just makes it look cute and cool. So I guess airy rather. Then we loaded up the refrigerator. We went to Walmart and got, of course, alcohol, water, food for breakfast in the morning, because for dinner we don't have to worry about because we're going to be eating with my boyfriend's family. And then the pool area, I think it's locked. Hold on. Hope I don't see no lizards out here, child. So this is where we are. I like to have the pool gate so that, you know, if you have little ones. And then beautiful lake across. And then we have a hot tub right here. So it's really nice. So we'll have to just take the gate down. Hey guys, I'm gonna say welcome back to the channel, or happy Saturday. I don't know. This probably would just be an insert of the vlog, considering that we just came to Orlando for the weekend, and we've been here. Today's Saturday. We came yesterday morning, Friday, and I'm just now picking up the camera to talk because it was quite, well, actually it's only like 6.5 hours from Atlanta, but we got caught in rush hour traffic here in Florida and in Atlanta, considering what time that we left. And then when we got here, a lot of my boyfriend family live here, so we went to visit them. And then when we finally came back last night, we got in the pool and all that. I didn't really film anything. I took some Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen, you know, us having fun in the pool and the jacuzzi and stuff at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't think we got out of the pool till like maybe 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And so I slept in today. We just had breakfast, and now we're at the pool, enjoying time. The kids over there. I don't even know if I've shown the house, but yeah, we have a pool in the back of the house, and then there's a beautiful lake. It is so gorgeous, everything. And that's my raft. I'm about to get in the pool. But all the houses in basically in this neighborhood have the you know, nets, and then the pool attached on the back of them. So this is an Airbnb that we're staying at. I guess, I don't know if some of these are residences, I'm sure, but I think a lot of them probably also do Airbnbs as well. So I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. I did put on some makeup just because makeup, I don't like to put sunscreen on my face, but makeup has the SPF in it, and so I feel like that's giving me a little protection on the face. That's all I have on is foundation, enough. What's up? All right, get my little floaty. All right, you put my eye goggles on. It's been so long. Alright, you go. I'm watching. Oh! Girl, you know how to glide? I know. You're killing me. Alright, the goal today is to try to figure out how to swim above the water with my head up. Let's see.